आज बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, इतने सारे यूथ है, इतने सारे जवान हैं जहाँ उनको पैशन है, कुछ करना है। कोई लोग काफ़ी ग्रास रूट्स काम भी कर रहे हैं, तो इनके साथ आज मिलने जुड़ने बातें करने में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। आई थिंक इसका मेन इम्पैक्ट ये है कि हम एक दूसरे से मिले, बातें करें, एक दूसरे से सीखें और इंस्पायर हो जाए। जहाँ कि हम एक दूसरे से सीख पाए कि हम क्या कर पाए, कोलैबोरेशंस बनाए साथ साथ में। और वही इसका सबसे बड़ा इम्पैक्ट है कि हम यहाँ से लेकर काम अपना कैसे बढ़ा पाएँ। दैट्स द बिग थिंग। आई थिंक वन, to be here, it's an absolute pleasure. It is also such an honor for me to be here with so many young people who are all doing different things. You know, there are so many of them who are doing grassroots works on the ground. And I think the biggest impact is that we come together, we learn from each other, we talk, we collaborate, and we go back and we build these synergies. We build our programs, we build on whatever we're doing so that we can do this at a much larger scale over the next few months, years, and keep continuing on that line. My take, I think, has been, I've been talking to some of the youth around, and I think one of the biggest things is someone was telling me, saying, "Hum itne saal se grassroots pe, either it's on conservation or sea turtle or whatever that might be, they're all doing different things, and what they're looking for is to find avenues of how can they sort of escalate the work that they're doing." And I think my biggest takeaway is, how can I create these platforms? How can we bring more grassroots voices to the forefront so that we can actually elevate the work that they're doing and also give them the inspiration and the sort of motivation that they need to continue working. Yeah, I think one of the first things is that, people keep saying, especially as a young person when I started off, I mean, the first thing is that one, you don't have enough experience, you don't have enough expertise, you don't know what you're saying. And I think one is to keep learning, because there's always something to learn. You're never going to know everything. So keep learning, but at the same time, I think believe in yourself. If you truly feel like there is an issue that you want to solve, find out, keep asking more questions, and keep doing what you can to solve the problem. Because if you see a problem, it needs to be solved, address it. Don't wait for somebody else to come and fix it. Don't wait for someone to tell you you need to be a certain age or a certain kind of position to do something, because I think none of that matters. As long as you have the passion to do something and you're open to working with the people around it, that's what's going to be the most important thing.